This is the all-new BYD Denza Z, a flagship electric hypercar, marking the brand's bold entrance into the ultra-luxury performance segment. Revealed at the Beijing Auto Show, the model takes the form of a four-seater convertible with a soft top, combining supercar styling with grand touring practicality. Power comes from a tri-motor all-wheel drive setup, producing over 1,000 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2 seconds. The Denza Z also features BYD's DiSus-M active suspension system, using magnetic damping and predictive controls to enhance high-speed stability and handling. Built on BYD's latest EV platform, the car incorporates lightweight carbon fiber construction, advanced aerodynamics, and the company's Blade battery. It also supports next-generation fast-charging technology, with significant range recovery possible in just a few minutes. Estimated driving range is around 600 kilometers. Positioned as a global halo model, the Denza Z targets established European hypercar rivals, showcasing BYD's growing capabilities in high-performance EV engineering and luxury vehicle development. Guys, what do you think about the new Denza Z? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.